Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. Stopping by real quick. I have gotten a lot of questions about the fair.com marketplace and how to sell on that marketplace. So what I did is I re-uploaded a video that I posted February of 2023. I've been getting a lot of emails and questions and stuff about it. And some people have mentioned that they have been put on the wait list. And chances are the reason why a person is or a brand is put on the wait list is because that brand does not fit into their core marketplace. And then I did add on here what their core marketplaces are. And you just got to make sure that you fit into one of these. If it's home and living, jewelry and accessories, apparel, beauty and wellness, food and drink, baby and kids, pets, paper and novelty, holiday and seasonal. So on my side in the my dashboard, I can see who actually applied for fair and if they have been waitlisted, but it doesn't give me a reason why they were waitlisted. I can also see on my side where people have applied for fair.com, and it tells me on my side that although that brand somehow, some way was directed to fair via Jury by BDK, they didn't sign up by using Jury by BDK. And that's cool too. I mean, it is what it is because I do get a little, I get some type of compensation, like when people sign up and they're approved and, they're able to go ahead and sell on the fair.com marketplace. That's good. That's good stuff. So we all win in the end. Um, and I think what else? I think that was all it is. Oh, and then also go over to my website at www.jbbdk.com and you can download a PDF. I think it's about 16 pages and it will tell you all about fair.com. It'll give you a breakdown of the rates and like all that kind of stuff. So, like everything you think you want to know about the platform before you even apply. Also, you can send me your actual email. So you can email me at jurybybdk@gmail.com. You send me an email saying, hey, I would like for you to personally submit my email address to fair.com. And when I submit your email to fair.com, it doesn't automatically qualify you or make you eligible to sell on the platform. However, it does kind of speed up the process. So it will be basically them reaching out to you as opposed to you reaching out to them. So I believe they'll send you like a link with all the information and all that good stuff. And I would, if it were me, I would rather for them to be contacting me than me to be contacting them via the link, because when you do the link, you have to input all that information and do everything. But I would, if it were me, I would prefer for them to contact me and provide me with everything. And then what happens with that is it already has you as a brand on their radar. So they're sending you out whatever they need to send you, the application, the information, and whatever that is, right? So you're now on their radar as opposed to you submitting with thousands of other people and all this other kind of stuff. And anyway, if you are interested in that, there's also the link that's in the description. You can use the link. Or you can just email me at jurybybdk@gmail.com. And then what I'll do is go ahead and submit your email address to fair.com for that wholesale marketplace. And this is only if you're planning to sell wholesale in bulk. And then learn about bulk, read about bulk. It's a really good thing, especially if you're selling very unique items, like a lot of you guys are, very unique, very different. Keep in mind, there's a lot of boutiques, there's colleges, there's universities, there's, oh my God, there's all type of entities that purchase off of fair.com. Like literally, I have gotten all kind of orders from Chicago, from France, from Italy, just like from everywhere. I sell everywhere, like across the globe. I sell off of fair because it's that type of marketplace, right? And if you don't make items in bulk, like if you make an item and you don't make 20 of those, that's cool too, because some boutiques and different stores and things may only want one of something, but they may buy 12 different items from you. So there are different, vendors that are on the fair.com website or marketplace that are looking for individual type items that are very unique that they can put in their boutiques or stores or different places. Or a lot of people even sell at different events. I have a couple of ladies that buy from me, and they buy to sell at street fairs. They go to street fairs, they go to music festivals, they go to places like that. So it's not necessarily always brick and mortars that purchase from you, you know. So it's like anybody that's looking for really good, solid, unique items. So it's a really good platform. So if you're considerate, don't forget you can just send me your email, and I'll go ahead and submit your email on my side, and then fair.com will send you a link and whatever other information that they send you, and then that way you can go ahead and get the ball started. But anyway, Darling Knight for Jerry by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.